Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a zip card online. First, let's understand what a zip card is and how it can help you manage your online spending. It allows you to pay for purchases in 4 interest-free installments over 6 weeks. Before you begin, ensure you meet the basic eligibility requirements, typically being over 18 years old and a resident of the country. You will also need a valid email address and mobile phone number. Now, let's dive into the application process. Head over to the official Zip website or download their mobile application from your app store. You'll then need to fill out a straightforward online application form. This will require you to provide some personal information, such as your full name, date of birth, and address. You'll also need to link a bank account or debit card for repayments. Once you've submitted your application, Zip will perform a quick identity verification. This often involves linking your bank account securely or providing a form of identification. The system then reviews your application, usually providing an instant decision. If approved, your digital Zip card will be ready to use almost immediately, allowing you to start shopping online with ease and flexibility. With your digital Zip card approved, you can now add it to your mobile wallet for convenient online shopping. When making a purchase, simply select Zip as your payment option at checkout. Your total will be split into 4 easy, interest-free payments over 6 weeks. Remember to manage your payment schedule and track your spending directly through the Zip app for a seamless experience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.